This tutorial will explain how you can quickly reinstall deleted Starfield mods from the creation kit. To start off, you need to return to the main menu if you are currently playing the game. Next, go to Creations from the main menu. In the Creations menu, open the Options menu. This can be done by pressing the menu button if you are playing with the Xbox controller. From the Options menu, select Download all creations in my library. Once the downloads have been completed, you can exit the Creations menu and then load back into your game. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.